Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. Here is MacBook Mockup. These are 6 file in PSD for Photoshop user and protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store and buy now for lifetime. Just open in Photoshop and import your photo or add plus Control S for saving like this. Open this. Click on layer, place your design here, mockup base, extract this folder. Here is screen, double click here, and we need a photo or poster. We need high definition photo like this one. Drag there. Cancel. Write anything if you want. For example, I write my channel name here, write Sheri SK. Control S, and you see our design is here, so you can adjust your own design or your poster. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.